Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexy, and today's video, if you have seen the thumbnail, I am going to turn quarantine Lexy into ABG Lexy. If you guys don't know what ABG is, ABG stands for Asian Baby Girl, or a lot of people also call it Asian Boba Girl or Asian Basic Girls. So the definition that I know of, the first time I heard of ABG was from a video that posted 5 years ago from Fung Bro's channel, titled 18 Types of Asian Girls. Let's rewatch that to refresh our mind.
Number 1, the ABG, Asian Baby Girl. Common roles you'll find ABG girls in are import model, sexy coffee shop, trendy Asian fusion restaurants, go-go dancers, and working at vape shops.
For those of you guys who don't know, the Asian baby girl is basically your female Asian gangster.
They're short, sexy, and you'll know when you see them.
Next month, I'm gonna be on the cover of Import Tuner magazine. The ABG often has on circle lenses, fake lashes, dark eyeliner, perfectly drawn eyebrows, highlights or dyed hair, a push-up bra, anything that exposes her pierced belly button or dragon tattoo.
Okay, so that was kind of like the OG kind of original definition. The definition right now is a lot looser. I will link the Urban Dictionary definition right here, but it's, you know, it has changed a lot over time, as you know, any language terms. The video that I am going to reference today is the video that I've seen Sacho do it. Is that how you say her name? Sacho? I don't know. She's so cute. I love her. But her video is also a reference to Michelle Choi's video of ABG transformation. So they did the whole like hair extension, get the nails done, did like whole makeup look with lashes extension. Did I already say extension? Yes, lashes extension, and like dragon tattoo. But I am at home right now. I cannot go anywhere. So everything that we did today is going to be what I have at home. All right, let's see what we have. Let's go through the starter pack. Bleach and dyed blonde hair. Already done. Just need to actually do things with it. Circle lenses. Awesome. These one I think is slightly bigger. I just got these from TTDeye. Yeah, TTDeye. This is the packaging. It's called Crystal Ball 2. I got some fake tattoos. I don't have any dragon tattoos, but we're just gonna work with what we have. And then I also have some fake nails that I have to go dig up somewhere. I don't know where it is. We are going to have some big lashes on. We're gonna do some heavy contour makeup. You know, snatch those brows. And then we will have some boba. The most important thing. Let's just get started. First thing first, I am kind of blind, so we are going to put the contact lenses on. Okay, that is in. Do you guys see the difference? Oh, it's crazy. All right, so next step is makeup. I'm going to go in first with the video lumilayer. I really love this primer when I want like a little bit of extra glow from within. I'm not gonna do a whole lot because we don't want to do like a glass skin look today. By the way guys, I just opened my TikTok account after so many months of trying to resist it. I just had to do it. I was doing this collaboration like transformation with the Don't Rush challenge with some other girls because they wanted to do it as like Disney princesses, and I figured, you know, if I already have the content, why not just use it and post it? So check out my TikTok channel. I will link it down below. Priming is done. I am going to go in with the Born This Way foundation. Usually I mix this foundation because it's too dark for me, but we kind of want that today. Actually kind of matching my neck fine. I don't know what I was going on about. Using a brush today to put foundation on to like give that extra coverage, because that's what an ABG would wear. Extra coverage foundation. All right, the base looked great. I am going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer to contour and cover the under eye circles that I now have apparently. So I myself don't normally bake under my eyes a lot, but I feel like an ABG would, because she would need to go to clubs and her makeup has to be on point. So I'm just gonna go in with some RCMA translucent powder. Honestly, haven't used this powder for so long. I almost forgot I had it. And I feel like my shirt now looks like I snort cocaine. I hope I'm doing this right, because this looks crazy. I don't normally bake. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do it, but I've never like really tried to learn, because that's just not really something I do a whole lot. But yeah, that's my face. While we wait for that, I'm just gonna do my brows. We want really snatch brows, like Instagram brows. We are almost done with the brows. I am going to do something that I usually don't do with my everyday makeup, is to kind of clean up these brows and make them look extremely sharp, because that's the look we're going for today. Usually I just like it to keep it really natural. Alrighty, eyebrows are done. I'm going to do my eyeshadow now. We want to do probably like a little bit more smoky, like a little bit more like club makeup. That's kind of the theme. Definitely neutral colors. We don't want to do anything like crazy like blue or green or even red. So I'm going to use the Texture Neutral palette from Tati Beauty. Honestly, one of my favorite palettes ever, and I have a lot. So big props to Tati. Gonna go in with Aura to really kind of set the base to be really neutral colors. This is my favorite base shade. I use it for so many looks. One that is done, I'm going to go in with Soothe in kind of this sequin shade. Actually, I'm going to go in with a matte one as my transition. Once I have that in, I am going to go in with Ritual and also this matte shade to kind of deepen that outer V. Possibly the only con of this palette is that it's quite heavy, like it's pretty hefty. So to hold it and do your makeup at the same time is not the easiest thing to do. Alrighty, I think after a long time blending, I'm pretty happy with that. There's really no rules here. You just kind of blend until they all, incorporate it together. I am going to go in with Ritual again, but in this like sequin shade to bring it underneath. This brown shade is just so good with these contacts. Okay, with the same brush, I'm going to with Soothe in this sequin shade as well to kind of lighten that up a little toward the inner corner. Do I want to do glitter? Would an ABG do glitter? I think she would, because she would, want to go clubbing, want to stand out. So yeah, let's just do some glitter. I want to go in with the Soothe and Glitter shade. Oh wow, that's a lot. That is a lot. Put in right on top of the eyeball. And like dab around. I think that's cute. I don't think that's too much. You think so? I don't know. I think it's cute. Perfect. And then lastly, I am going to go in with Aura, but in this shade right here. I don't know what this is about. Oh, metallic. Oh my god. And then just go into the inner corner to brighten that up. Seriously though, this palette is so great. This is like a office to club to vacation kind of palette. I love. Yeah, almost done. I love these eyes actually. I might do this on like a daily basis. Just to stay home and wear clubbing clothes inside. No big deal. One of the other biggest traits of ABG that you would find is that she has long, sharp wing liner. So, my favorite part is here. We are gonna line these wings. Yes. Ooh, CL, who? Wow, today's a good wing day. That was really good. But is it enough? Wouldn't ABG do more? Maybe just a little bit longer. I knew I shouldn't have messed with that. Now I don't love it as much. It's okay, we already went with it. We're just gonna do the other eye now. It is still a good wing day. I'm still good. Alrighty, time to dust off these crazy bags. Alrighty, that looks better. I mean, it's not like my best contour work, but better. And I don't really want to go heavy on this blush, so I'm just gonna go in with the Tarte Party. Is the Amazonian Clay. It's super buildable. It's very pretty shade, really light coverage. And I'm just gonna go really lightly on this. And then for the lips, I already have a little bit on. I use MAC Devoted to Chili. It's a, oh, this is Marrakesh. I might have used that instead. I think it's Marrakesh, my bad. But I am going to go over with a gloss. This is called Moonshine. I believe this is ColourPop. This looks like ColourPop. Yeah, I think so. I've had this for a bit. I haven't really used it though. Ah, okay. I'm not really a gloss girl, so this is like a new product almost. Do I look like Kim K yet? Definitely not a snatch. I think I am done with my makeup. I am going to go do my hair and change out of this outfit to something kind of more club wear, something a little bit more, you know, skin shown, something that you want to feel sexy in. And you know, I'll be right back. Alrighty, I am back. Hair is done. I have my sexy club outfit on with some chains and of course hoops. I just want to show you, I love this so much. I feel very sexy, guys, and I have nowhere to go. We are almost done with this transformation. You cannot finish an ABG looks without the nails. So I have some fake nails thing that I got from Amazon a long time ago, and I don't even know why did I purchase it. It was probably for some, you know, random look. And then I stopped by my CVS yesterday. I got some nail glue, brush on nail glue from Kiss, and just some natural Elsie color in shade Skinny Dip. And then I'm just gonna glue these on real quick and I will be right back. Alrighty, I have my nails done. By the way, side note, do not recommend this. Terrible. The color, do you see it? It's so sheer, it looks like I didn't put anything on. So don't get that. Just get some other, you know, nude, more opaque color. Maybe not from Essie, I don't know. I haven't had luck with this brand so far. So we are pretty much like 95% there. We're just gonna take it there by a temporary tattoo. So the ABG stereotype is that she has a dragon tattoo. I am not gonna draw a dragon. So I was gonna put one of these, so one kind of like the vine around with one of the roses on here, or I was gonna just put this big rose like right there. I kind of like the color, like the black color here better, but this design, it's like I vibe with it more. I think I'm gonna go with this. cute. All right, we want it to be right here. Yeah, here. Is that too far back? Or is it too far back? Let's put it a bit more in the front. Okay. I can never be those girls who do like a full sleeve tattoo, but you know, every time I see one, it's like, wow, you are so brave, because it hurts like a bitch. Yeah? No? I don't know. Can I pull off a tattoo like this? I don't love my arms, so I don't usually like to like draw attention to it, so even like wear something like this is a little bit strange for me, but it's not bad. Thanks you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this transformation, and I hope you like, you know, this kind of content. Please let me know in the comment section what would you like to see next coming from me, and of course, you know, hit like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I will link down below my Instagram and my TikTok handle. All right, bye guys, love ya. Why am I always eating my video? Maybe that's why I'm not thin. Oh well.